Today's question is to involve wrapper classes, and which will ask you to autobox and unbox the numbers to be entered. And the first bit is saying that you have to enter two wrapper integer numbers, unbox them and print the total in wrapper classes. And the second bit says you have to enter a primitive number, a primitive integer, autobox it and print whether it is an even number or an odd number. So we need the command lines. Command lines are over here, and declaring variables are very clearly mentioned over here, separately for primitive integers and also separately for wrapper integer variables. So if you see this line declaring variables, they are all int n, int r and all, and very clearly if you see the documentation, it says they have been declared as primitive integer variables. And if you see the next line, integer num1, integer num2 and so on, and they are very clearly declared as wrapper integer variables. So separately for primitive and separately for wrapper integers. And this is the program for the first bit number A, which says that you enter two wrapper integer, unbox them and print the total in wrapper class. So it will ask you to enter the first value, which is in a wrapper integer, and that has to be unboxed. And you know well, putting or storing a wrapper class into a primitive is unboxing. So here it is asking you to enter the first wrapper integer value. So let us say the first wrapper integer value is 7. So 7 is entered over here, and num1 has been declared as integer num1, you see. So that means it is a wrapper integer variable, and once you have given 7 to it, it has to be stored in a primitive variable. So that is called unboxing. So similarly, it will ask you to enter a second number, second integer, which is a wrapper integer value. So num2, will be accepting a wrapper integer. Let us say 5 has been entered, and that 5 num2 will be stored in the primitive variable. So that is again called unboxing. So n2 will have 5, n1 will have 7, and total will be done num1 plus num2, that is adding the wrapper integer variables. So num1 is having 7, num2 is having 5, so 7 plus 5 12. So that 12 will be stored in the variable tot, and tot is again a wrapper integer variable. So the total will be printed over here, 7 plus 5. So similarly, that is for the second bit now. So second bit says you have to enter any primitive integer variable, any primitive integer, and you have to print whether it is a even number or an odd number. But first you have to autobox it. So autobox it means first you have to enter the integer variable. So integer variable you have to enter in the variable num, and that n will be stored in the variable num1 into a wrapper integer object. So that is autoboxing. That means you are trying to store a primitive into a wrapper object. So that is autoboxing. And as what the question says, you have to autobox it first. So we are doing the autoboxing over here. That means we are storing a primitive into a wrapper object. And once it has been stored in the num1, that is 7. So we are going to divide it. We are going to check the remainder. So r is to the num1 modulus 2. So r will get some value. So if r is not equal to 1, then it is an even number, otherwise it is an odd number. So this is what it demonstrates for the wrapper classes. I'll show you the output also. So we are going to compile the program. You can see the compile over here. I'll give a click on compile. So once it is compiling, you can see in the bottom of the screen it says class compiled, no syntax errors. That means there is no error in the program. And I'll show you the output. See, output is asking you to enter first wrapper integer value. So 7, we have entered 7. It is asking you to enter second wrapper integer value, 5. So 5 we have entered. So total in wrapper is 12. Now it is asking you for the bit number B, second bit, for the integer, primitive integer, to find out whether is a entered number is an even number or an odd number. So now let us say we have entered 5. So that is the integer. It has to be stored in the wrapper, auto boxing. So 5 is an odd number, it says.